Okay, this is Starship test number 11.
8, 7, 6, 5.
It's really foggy.
3, 2, 1.
And they're going anyway. I don't know what we're going to be able to see, but... God, you can't even see. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit. There's the Raptors. Last time I did a reaction video, they did land, but about 5 to 10 minutes later. Uh-oh. What's that?
T plus 33 seconds. Starship test vehicle number 11 ascending over Starbase in South Texas.
1 kilometer altitude.
Ooh, they're getting above the fog now. But there's no camera up that high, the only one that's on the vehicle. Oh boy.
We've heard the call out. We're over 1 kilometer up. Views from the external camera on Starship number 11 looking back towards the Starbase facility in the fog in South Texas.
I love the way how the rocket motors, they pivot individually. That's so cool. Alright, so we're at 1:30. Okay, now it seems like it's starting... I think it's still going up. They don't have any other telemetry data on the screen. They don't have, like, altitude or speed or anything, just a timer. Man, this is crazy.
4 kilometers altitude.
T plus 2 minutes. We're getting ready to shut down the first of the 3 Raptor engines.
God, so they shut it down, and then the craft literally... Whoa, look at that! Oh, there we go. There's one.
T plus 2 minutes, 21 seconds. You can see we have shut down the first of the 3 engines on time as planned.
God, look at all the smoke. So as it goes up, they're going to shut down each engine one by one. And then the craft is basically going to sort of fall, but it's more like a controlled fall. And very similar to the last couple of...
Continuing to climb on power of 2 engines. We're past 8 kilometers.
Oh, wow, so they're 8 kilometers up. Okay. That's what? Almost 6 miles? I can't do the conversion quite in my head right now. Ooh, come on, space. There we go. I see, now they're only on 1 engine. So they shut them down one by one. Oop, camera feed just stopped.
T plus 3.5 minutes. You can
I'm
see
really
with
hoping
the
they're
camera view,
successful.
We have shut down the second of the 3 engines as planned. We're now slowly climbing to the final 10 kilometer altitude on the power of the single Raptor engine. Once we're at apogee, we'll hover shortly, shut down the engine as we flip over, and then descend back towards the landing pad at Starbase.
The craziest is that it goes horizontally like that and then actually ends up...
altitude.
It then flips up like that and then lands with those tiny little...
on the camera, but we continue to get telemetry from the Starbase, from the Starship vehicle.
But then it lands on those tiny little landing legs, which they seem so flimsy compared to the rest of the vehicle. But I guess they can't make them...
While we're waiting to reestablish video connection with the vehicle, we have shut down the third of the 3 Raptor engines as planned. We're now beginning the horizontal maneuver back down to the landing pad at the Starbase facilities. As we get close to land, we will ignite the 3 Raptor engines, flip to vertical, and then land on the thrust of a single Raptor engine. T plus 4 minutes, 40 seconds and counting, and it looks like we've got some camera views back again.
The feed is just very, very Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. It's already horizontal.
6 kilometers altitude.
I guess to keep the body streamlined, they have to put the landing legs inside.
T plus 5 minutes. We're passing through 5 kilometers. A nice view from the exterior camera showing one of the flaps on the Starship test vehicle number 11.
God, I'm really hoping that they get it this time. It's amazing how it's literally it's not gliding, it's more of like a controlled fall. It's basically not too dissimilar from the space shuttle. The space shuttle did a controlled fall because that thing was it was not aerodynamic at all. Even though it looked like it was, the space shuttle was not. I remember as a kid, sometimes at 3 a.m, you'd hear
1 kilometer altitude.
you'd hear the twin sonic
Plus
booms.
545. We've just passed through 1 kilometer altitude, getting ready for the relay.
Oh, here comes the fog again. Okay, I hear stuff, but I don't know what's going on. That sounded bad. That sounded very bad. Did you hear that? Now it's quiet. That's, come on, SpaceX, say something. Say something, come on. Show something, say something. What's going on? They probably don't even know. This was a mistake. This was a mistake to be doing it in the fog like this. Oh, man. It's just, it's literally just a stuck. It's literally just stuck. Hang on. I'm going to pause it real quick. I'm going to do a quick camera cut. And when it starts back up again, I'll start it.
Yeah, as you can see from the frozen camera view, we lost the clock at T plus 5 minutes 49 seconds. Looks like we've had another exciting test of Starship number 11. A reminder again, this is a test series to gather data on entry of the Starship vehicle.
Exciting, meaning
speeds as it come back to the landing zone. It does appear, though, that another exciting test, as we say. We don't have any good camera views to share with you right now, so with that, we are going to bring the webcast to a close. A quick recap, we had the nominal ascent. We maneuvered to horizontal when we got to 10 kilometers. The entry, we had some nice views from the exterior camera showing the flaps were quiet as we descended. But then we had the camera freeze up as we got into the engine.
They should not have done this in the fog.
To find out from the team what happened. But with that, we'd like to thank the team. And
exciting meaning explosion.
Bring the webcast to a close. And we'll
they both start with an EX, I guess.
With Starship, the next Starship test in the near future.
Well, that was problematic. All right, well that's the end of that. So thank you for watching my reaction to this. Better luck next time. SpaceX, at least they're trying. I'll see you guys in the next video.